Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you helpful tips and tutorials. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a ChatGPT account. So you can start using this powerful tool. Let's get started. The first step is go to your preferred web browser and type in ChatGPT in the search bar. Alternatively, you can visit OpenAI's official website by typing openai.com. Once you're in the website, you'll see a link that says Try ChatGPT. Click on that link to proceed. Now, instead of logging in, we want to sign up for an account. Look for the Sign Up button and give it a click. You'll be presented with options to enter your email address or sign up using Google or a Microsoft account. If you have a Google or Microsoft account, I recommend clicking on one of those options. By doing so, you can conveniently use an existing profile and skip the step when it asks for your phone number. It saves you time. However, if you don't have those accounts, you'll need to provide a valid phone number for verification purposes. Just follow the prompts and enter the required information. We have a video at the end, and I will link it down below to a video that will show you how to use ChatGPT without a phone number. Once you've completed the sign up process, congratulations, you now have a ChatGPT account. You can explore all the amazing features and functionalities this tool has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. We're happy to help you out. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.